Follow me.
I don't know what that was.
So why you want me here is playing poker. You have been chosen to go on a mission. I know you're just a Marine border guard, but you are the best at what you do. You are going to take out a group of 6 terrorists. You are getting a 6 caliber machine, also known as a Gatling gun.
Do you mean Gatling gun? Do you mean caliber, a 6 caliber machine gun? Wait. Am I going on this mission alone?
Yes. Good luck. Your mission begins in 16 hours.
That's less than a day. Alright, thanks. I won't let you down. Alright. Whoa. Is this the gun I'm using?
Yep. This is the gun you're using to take out the terrorists.
Feel me firing away at them already. This is gonna be great. I gotta go tell the guys upstairs. Why'd you bring me down to the basement? Is it because this thing is locked up, so valuable?
Yep.
Alright.
This is one of
Thank
the
you.
rarest guns.
I can't thank you enough. I'm so glad for you. I won't let you down, as I said before. Thank you. Got my boots on. Okay. This must be my vest. Dang, this is awesome. Never had one of these before. Yes. Let me see something. Probably comes with ammo. He said there was ammo in it. Here's the ammo. Why is it all not loose like that? Why is it all loose? Wait a second, there's something heavy in here. Wow, pistol. Why is it loaded? Should have warned me about that. Gotta find him. This is just my room. I wonder where my roommate is though. Alright. Guess I'm ready. Where are they? Go!
They're in that tower over there.
What tower? You mean they stole our tower?
Yeah.
I think there's a sniper up there. Dude, he's about to pull the trigger. Oh, holy. Jack. Commander, are you alright? He's bleeding out. He's gone. They'll pay for what they've done. This is it. Where are you guys? I'm gonna kill you! Come on! One down, 5 to go. Hey, I see you up there. My leg. Come on, I gotta keep my head up. God, that guy shot me in the leg. Well, this is a good sniper position from up here. What the hell? There's someone down there. It's another terrorist. Oh crap, he's trying to shoot at me. I think I got him. Yes. 3 down, 3 to go. finally found a space. Gotta rub this on my leg. Yeah. Guys, show me. Ah! Go! Get down! Hey! Just to make sure. Man, I really gotta go. Oh, I lost my gun. This stinks. My gun is lost. 15 caliber machine gun. I only have this pistol left. What the hell do I do? Hey! I see you! Watched that movie Jaws a couple of days ago. I don't have any weapons. There's the last guy. Come on, you. Let's battle. Man to man. See, you're taking out your gun.